Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Judith. If you're new here, please subscribe, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for always coming back. You guys are the best and I love you guys. So today is nothing serious. I just oh my god, it's so difficult to record, guys. Anytime I want to record, I just get distracted. I have a child. I have how old is he? He's 20 months old. He's always disturbing, and I tried going to the basement to film, and my husband is working in the basement and I didn't want to disturb him. And this guy right here, where is he? He's always disturbing and distracting me from recording. That's why sometimes it's so difficult to record, and I always record at midnight because that's the only time that this house is quiet. That's when I'll be able to record. So today I will just be talking about you see, he has turned off the lights. Oh my god. So today I'll be talking about something I have used. Not I have used, sorry. Something I'm currently using that has helped me and is still helping me. I just want to share it with someone out there, hoping that it's going to help you as well the way it has helped me. It's just an app. It's an ovulation tracker, period tracker, and all that. Why I decided to do this video is because of the video I saw yesterday, the one that Banky W posted. No, the one he uploaded on his YouTube channel. If you haven't seen it, I'll suggest you go see it now so that you understand where I'm coming from. So in that video, Adeswa mentioned that she went to get an ovulation kit so that she will know if she's ovulating or not, so that she can go get intimate with hubby. And then I just remember that I have said I'll do a video just sharing this with you ladies out there, my friends, my sisters out there that don't know about this, and hopefully it works for you guys. I'm only advising the married ones to use it to the advantage, and if you're unmarried, you can use it to track your period and everything, but don't go and use it to do something you're not supposed to, please. Enough of my long talk. So let me show you guys the app. So this is the app right here, the one that says calendar. Yeah, this green app, green and white, that's the app right there. So when you open it, no, let me not show you guys what I've been up to. So let me look for, okay, I'm going to use December 2021. So you see this December 2021. Okay, yeah, it's correct. So let me come closer. So this app, like I said, it has helped me to track my ovulation, and I will say it's pretty accurate, because the only time that it hasn't been accurate is when it will say maybe I'll see my period on the 5th, for example, and then I'll see my period either on the 4th or on the 6th. So it's either a day early or a day late. So it's never like an off number or off with 3 days or 5 days. No, it's that accurate. This video is not a paid advertisement or anything. Nobody paid me to advertise their app. In short, I don't even know who did the app. Someone just told me about the app. I think in 2016. She told me about the app, and ever since I've been using this app, and it's been working wonders for me, I'll say. So if you're planning to get pregnant, or you're planning not to get pregnant anytime soon, it's a very, 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 very good app, guys. It just helps you to know when you're ovulating and when you should be intimate with your spouse, and when you have a high chance of getting pregnant and low chance of not getting pregnant. So for example, now you see in December, so based on the data you've imputed, based on the things you've put in the past, is going to automatically calculate what the next month will be for you. So mine is because of what I've put in the past. That's why it's showing this. So it's not too late to start using it. You can start using it today, right now. You can go and download it and just try it for 1 month, 2 months. Let me know in the comment section below if you currently use this app, and if not, let me know which app are you using at the moment, and you know what you've used that have worked, and just share it with us, you know, so we'll learn, we'll compare and see which one is better. There's no harm in trial, right? So my battery is actually, well, I'll charge it soon. So you see, it's going to show you the days that, why is it blurry? Let me clean it. It's going to show you the days that you are having your period. So once you have your period on these days, you see, it's just predicting that you have, I should be having my period 7, 8, 9, and 10. So once I have my period, I will just indicate here, and you just select period here and just indicate that, okay. I think it's not working because we're not in December. So it's, once you indicate that it's period, it's going to show you that when you'll be ovulating. So it will give you periods where you have, you know, chances of getting pregnant. So all these days in light green, those are the chances. Those are the days that I'm likely to get pregnant. And then this on the 20th with the dark green is a day that, you know, you are ovulating. It's a day that I will be ovulating. And if I get intimate on this day, of course, I'm gonna get pregnant. So if I don't want to get pregnant, then I shouldn't do the do on this day. So I can do other days that I'm free. So it's a very, very good thing. So that's why when Adiswa spoke about her getting ovulation kits and everything, and I thought of it, in case you don't have access to ovulation kits or anything, this is a very good app that will help you track your period, your ovulation, and all those things, and will tell you, why am I sweating? I will tell you days that you can be pregnant and days that, you know, you're free. So I hope this video is helpful. If it's helpful, give it a thumbs up, share, comment, and let me know your thought. Let me know what you've used or what you're currently using, what has worked for you, what hasn't worked for you. Just share in the comment section below so that we can all learn from ourselves. All right, guys, thank you, and I'll see you in my next video.